afternoon. How y'all doing? I hope all is well in your world. We are about to drive to Atlanta and then fly. It's a surprise. Stay tuned. What's going on, Mr. Childers?
We're on an airplane here in Atlanta. We gotta go somewhere.
The first leg of our flight.
San Diego. We'll get there. We'll let you know.
Oh boy. Here we go. Atlanta. We're above the clouds. Isn't that cool? Look at there. Blue skies above the clouds. Wow. We're on our second leg of our surprise.
Yes.
And how has it been?
Well, I gotta be nice. When you gotta empty a whole bag, carry-on bag out, that's not no fun.
No.
Don't never bring your tire gauge with you. Leg of this adventure today. Short leg after we land.
And what happened with your bag?
Oh, the bag. Well, we had to empty them out for CSA.
Everything. All of my electronic gear, the whole 9 yards.
And the dog food. The dog food was, I guess it was round. It was this round dog food in a Ziploc bag. And the other part was the deodorant. It was solid. We didn't have no liquids. That's what they said. We're just trying to meet the requirement. That's all we can do.
And they wiped my hands to make sure I wasn't abusing my dog.
You're a pet abuser.
Yeah.
I never heard of such a thing.
So.
I gotta ask somebody about
I tell you what, this surprise that we're having tomorrow night.
Oh, it'll be worth it. It'll be good.
Yeah, it better be. Wow, it is super windy and cloudy in Boise, Idaho. Woo! Wow. Welcome to Boise, Idaho. Woohoo! We made it. Now it's time to drive home. So, we picked up our surprise and now we got a long ways back. So we're driving back from Boise, Idaho to Atlanta to pick up the car. Yeah. So stay tuned and you'll see the surprise. snowing.
Yay, snow! y'all don't know where we're at. On a little drive. Actually,
epic Sunday drive.
For sure. This is big time Sunday driving, folks. Big time. There's road conditions like this, ain't no way I'll be doing 80. Watch for ice. Oh yeah.
And it's snowing again.
Crane Junction, 200 miles. 198.
The gear on to deal with it.
Some hot chocolate around a campfire.
That's right.
10 or 15 paces from the cabin. That's my kind of camping in the snow.
Yeah, there's somebody up boondocking. Wow, that's awesome.
I'm so happy I'm not here in the Ford. Truck downshifted itself just now. Performing pretty well. Really know once we hook the trailer to it how it's going to perform. So far so good. 19.8 miles per gallon. Wow. Whew. Big mountains look like big buildings. Wow. I mean, you just can't. No TV screen visualizes how massive it is.
Seriously.
There's no way. There was a view area up there.
Yeah, that was that one.
This is still a great view.
Yeah.
Just riding the car right into it. Holy mackerel.
Sorry, folks. It's too windy and too cold to be up on top of a mesa. I don't want to get blown away.
Today is Friday the 13th.
Yeah. Well, we made it home. Surprise! Take a look at what we got. I love it. Now I can ride with Mr. Childers every trip we go on. I'm excited for that. He says that he worried about me when I drove the other car. Really? I've been driving all my life. You know, I'm pretty good at it, actually. So anyway, enjoy the video. We had a great time making it. Y'all give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because we've got a lot of adventures to come. Stay tuned.